Hi guys, happy Monday. I just wanted to post a quick video letting you know what's going on this week. It's a pretty simple week, like most weeks have been. I'm going to post a Flipgrid video today. Okay, so the Flipgrid video, I'm going to post an example on there. That's why I haven't done it before, because I just haven't sat down to make the example. But I'm going to post a Flipgrid link on Classroom for you to make the intro video to your to your senior website. So hopefully you're working on that. So today and tomorrow and Wednesday, that's all you need to do. Work on your websites, get them finished, make sure they have everything that's needed, the 10 journals, your essay needs to be linked there, what you want to do in the future, a senior page where you could write about, being out of school. You can just post pictures, talk about the things that you've done this year. Just make sure all of that's put together on the website the best you can. Obviously, we're not together, so it makes it a little harder if you don't know what you're doing. So just do the best you can. Try to get all of that included, and then we'll add these videos after you make them today. So I want you to make the videos today. I'll post it after lunch. I'm going to feed my children, and then I'll post the Flipgrid for you. Tuesday, Wednesday, work on those. You should have this turned into me by Wednesday so I can add them to Miss Norsworthy's groups. And then Thursday, I want to do a group planning session for senior slideshow and what that could look like and what our ideas are for that. So we'll plan on that on Thursday. And then if you didn't know, you don't have school on Friday, so that's exciting. Next week, we'll probably work on senior slideshow stuff. And then I told Ms. Prohaska would be part of the Smile Project, which is just creating some artwork or letters or videos for residents of Mount Pleasant. So we'll work on those two things next week. Okay, so I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're hanging in there. Also, if you have not submitted your stuff for Senior Spotlight, please do so. Haley Collins, Maya, who else? Summer, Christian. No, you've all done it. Luke, JJ, Abby Kovacs. Might be it. Overall, you guys are doing a pretty good job. But if you have not submitted that senior spotlight stuff, please do so. I will make it up. Maya, I will say that you're a unicorn trainer. JJ, I will say that you're, I don't know, going to blast off to Mars. I don't know. So just make up, just fill those out, please, and post so I can get those posted. Anyway, love you guys, and I hope you're doing well, and we'll talk soon. Bye.